Good day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis from JurisQ.com, and we bring you different attorneys from different spheres of law to discuss commonly asked legal questions and to digest news that are in the news cycle that relate to law, lawsuits, and, of course, interesting political issues. And we bring to you today a successful attorney, Sabrina Shaheen Cronin. Sabrina, welcome.
Thank you, Michael. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for your time. And look, I know your practice is diverse. You do a lot of litigation, but you also do business, family, and criminal law. So you have background to answer many different interesting questions. And you're based out of Michigan, correct?
That's right. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Well, first of all, I want to introduce you to our public because you have an interesting story and you are a role model for many, especially young ladies, young people that want to get into law, who want to balance their career and possible any future family. You are a mother of 3 kids. That must be very difficult, being an attorney, running such a practice, as well as managing your family. Tell us, what are the lessons? What would you tell a young lady that wants to have a successful law career and at the same time wants to be a successful mother?
Michael, that's a very complicated question that I figure out every day.
Mm-hmm.
No, but in all seriousness, I think it just takes a fortitude and just the inner knowing that you can do it. And little by little, day by day, you can accomplish any dream that you have. And I never set out to have a law firm. I never set out to have, this amount of children. I knew what I wanted in life, and I really worked hard to get there. And it's important to have dreams and aspirations, but it's also important to know yourself and to know your limitations, but also to arm yourself with good people around you, a very good support system. I don't have family in my area, so I really had to arm myself with a team of people that I trust and that I know can take care of my children when I'm at work and that I can rely on and that they can be there. So it definitely takes a village, and just know that you can do it.
Yeah, and not only are you an attorney, a mother, but also running your own firm. You are president and founder of the Cronin Law Firm. You also have to have business acumen. You have to wear 3 different hats or more in the same office, right?
Yeah, it definitely took some risk, and I juggle a lot of things every day. I wear a lot of different hats, and it's not suitable or right for everybody. For me, it's really good for me. And like I said, I never had this grand plan to have this firm. It just happened very, very organically out of my deep desire to help people. So it's all working out.
So basically, your advice is just do it. Just jump into it, then
do it.
figure it out along the way, as long as you have a good support system. And I think having a mentor or mentors is important, right? Not to be shy in asking for advice from people who've done it before.
Yeah. Michael, I think the scariest kind of people are the people that think they know it all. Right. Because when some people, think they know it all and they really know nothing. And it's just being open and allowing yourself to be vulnerable and allowing yourself to learn and to grow and challenge yourself. And I always say, don't let fear get in your way of moving forward. And little by little, you can do it. Perhaps maybe not, your overall plan in life, but day by day, if you make action and take steps toward your goal, then you can really achieve anything you want. It's having that goal, knowing why you want to achieve that goal, and then taking action to get there.
Sabrina, thank you. Very valuable advice. I hope people heed to it. I want to ask you, you have such passion for what you do. I know you also have a passion for protecting rights of juveniles, juvenile justice, minors. Can you tell us why you got into these types of law? What motivated you?
Michael, when I was an assistant prosecuting attorney for Oakland County, I did a lot of work with juveniles, juvenile offenders, and I believe wholeheartedly that sometimes they just don't know. They don't have the support system. They don't have the guidance. It wasn't necessarily their fault that they were born into the home or the environment or the lifestyle in which they were born, and they just weren't given the tools or the structure or the support system that is necessary to live and lead a productive life. So if someone is truly lost, they deserve that opportunity, that chance to better themselves, to better their life. And if they're willing to listen and to take constructive feedback and to really turn their lives around, then they deserve that chance. I believe in rehabilitation. I believe that someone who really wants to work on themselves, because it takes a will. It takes that inner strength to know that they can do better for themselves. So if there's that person, that young person who really wants a chance, then absolutely, I'm all for it. And that's why I have this passion.